Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have some Sephora hauls for you. Sephora hauls? No. I have some Sephora things to show you guys. I got the Sephora favorites and the Beauty for Everyone Pop Beauty Box, and I haven't purchased these in quite some time, and I saw them when I was on Sephora's website the other day, and I was like, time for me to purchase these again because I haven't in so long. This one is $10 and the other one is $12, and I purchased them yesterday and they got here today. So I think that is amazing. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to stop saying because I need to. Is really annoying, and editing ums out is even more annoying. Okay, so this is the Sephora Favorites Hello, and it's the most loved beauty. So little time and budget to do it. That's why we've made things easy with this pack of must-have Sephora favorites. Best of all, you'll get 15% off your next full-size purchase of any products in this bag. Now pop it open and meet your new beauty. So I'm super excited. I didn't actually see what they had in there. I just kind of like purchased it without looking. Okay, so here are the 15% off coupons. 15% off the full-size products that are in your bag. So, ooh, something smells amazing. Maybe it's this. Prada Candy. This is the perfume scent. Oh yeah. Did it spill? It must have spilled. No, it doesn't look like it did. That smells lovely. Isn't she lovely? My fingers are starting to crack again. I hate that. They get so dry they crack, and I just don't know what to do with them. Anyway, I got this perfume. Love it. Smells amazing. The next thing is this, and this is the Amika The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. This is for your hair. These smell lovely as well. I have not tried this one yet, so I am super excited to have a new product from Amika. It's a restore your hair from the breaking point with this multitasking repair treatment for stronger hair that has bounce, body, and ability to hold a style and curl. Ah, okay. Next. Next is this Alpha Beta Peeling Quotidin Formula Intense. Oh, I don't know if I'll use this. Oh my gosh, I was reading a different language. That's how bad I am with reading English. I didn't even know it was a different language. Extra Strength Daily Peel. That sounds so much better. A patented two-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and extra texture. Achieve clinical results at home. There's 3 treatments in here, and this is by Dr. Dennis Gross. I don't know if I'll use this. I'm so scared of peeling my face off. Like, I'll use one of these and I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I won't have a nose. That's what scares me. Are they powders or... I don't know. But anyway, I think they're like cloths or something. So you just peel your face off with this. Massage onto clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat with step 2. Okay. The next thing, I'm scared of that. The next thing is this, and this is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Glow Serum. Oh, I'm excited for this. I just like his name. Peter Thomas Roth. Like, what a great name. Like, he sounds fancy, and I don't even know him, but he sounds fancy. It doesn't really have a scent. Well, maybe it does, but not like, it's not like a crazy scent. And it does feel like a serum. I don't know why I put that on my hand. It says, to help plump the look of dry skin with intense moisture, apply glow serum twice daily on face and neck. I love products for the neck. Yes, I do. Okay, then we have this, and this is the Black Mascara Roller Lash by Benefit, which I'm excited to get. I do like their mascara. I have quite a lot of them in my collection. And here we go. This has like a spiky wand, if I am correct. Yep. I like this as like a comb through mascara, and I like it for my lower lashes. I have eyelash glue in my eye, and it is burning the ever-loving crap out of my eye. Okay, and the last but not least is this. And this is the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster Step 1 Primer. 24-hour primer. Okay. I have not used this, but I definitely will. Have you guys used any of these products? I haven't used any of them except for this one. All right, so let's see what it looks like. It's a tiny little baby. I love little products like this, like Smurf size products. I like them. Okay, so here we go. Here's the primer. And does it have, oh, it does. It has a color to it. It's like orange. There it is. Okay. I don't want to waste it, so I'll put it on my wrist. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh, it has a little bit of a scent. It kind of smells like fresh cut grass. Okay, so for the Sephora favorites, it's the Most Loved Beauty. We have the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster Primer, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Glow Serum, the Dr. Dennis Gross, I feel bad that's his last name, Anti-Aging Exfoliate and Smooth Pads, the Amika The Cure Multitasking Repair Treatment, and the Roller Lash by Benefit Mascara, and also we got the Prada Candy Perfume. Very excited about that. So that was, again, the most favorite products of all time. Bag by Sephora. The next thing is this, and this is $12, and this is the Sephora Favorites Pop Box, and it's the October box. So I'm very excited to get this. I love their boxes. They are decorated so cute. So here's the front, and then here's the back. Love it. Okay, Beauty for Everyone, Sephora Favorites. Oh, these are little stickers. Okay, so we got little stickers. So cute. And then we have Beauty for Everyone. And then here, I believe these are the products that you have in here. It says these top trending picks are for the makeup newbie, the skincare pro, the hair care dabbler, the fragrance obsessed, and anyone else who gets a jolt of happiness when fresh beauty arrives. Now dive in and have some fun. Yay! Okay, the first thing is this, and this is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. And this is by Youth to the People. And keeping it clean and delivering results with superfood ingredients everyone will love. The full size of this retails for $48. I think there's like a lot of product in these. Yeah, there's enough product in here. Maybe not. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It looked empty on one side. I was like, no way. But look, so it's like, it looks empty. You probably can't see it. But it looked empty, and then it's like full on this side, kind of. Can you see it over here? Kind of thing over here. Okay, so we got this. What is this, a moisturizer? Was it? Oh no, it's a mask. Okay, so we got a mask. Then we have this, and this is Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. What the heck just came out of my mouth? Not a perfume, superdose. Okay, shaking up the perfume world with scents for the minimalist and maximalist. Maximalist. This full size retails for $150. Holy, that's a lot of money. It's probably why I don't buy perfumes. All right, I'm gonna smell it. I don't know if I want to spray a $10 spritz or if I want to just smell it. Yeah, this smells like the one I got from I think I got it from Ipsy one time. Okay, the next thing is this, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. These are really good. Mixing up plant-powered beauty recipes that nurture all types of hair. The full size of this retails for $36. These are really good. I love using them. The next thing is this. Oh my gosh, it's the tiniest little baby I've ever seen in my entire life. I love little samples. I don't know what it is, but I love them so much. And this right here does not disappoint because it is small. It is smaller than my pinky. Okay, this is by Mel Cosmetics, Crafting Makeup for Anyone Who Wants to Show Off Their True Colors. And it's the full size of this retails for $22, and this is in the shade Dark Room. Okay. Let's see how dark it is. I can't be upset if it's dark because it literally is the shade Dark Room. Ooh, that's beautiful. See, look, that will last me quite a while. Like it will be a long time before I like actually go through this. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I will wear that and love it and wear it and love it. Yes, I will. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Herbivore Aquarius Pore Purifying Clarity Cream. So this is a moisturizer. The full size of this retails for $48. Harnessing the power of good for you ingredients to create skincare for all skin types. So we got a little baby face moisturizer, and it's missing a big chunk out of the middle, but that's okay. I love the shade. It's a really pretty blue. Oh, I'm wearing this shirt today. It says busy doing nothing, and it's one of my favorites to wear. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, so we got a face cream, and the last but not least is this. And this is Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, redefining beauty with products that enhance what makes you unique. The full size of this retails for $20. Has anyone used their new mascara? I have only used Rare Beauty Primer, I think. I don't think I've used anything else. Honestly. I don't think I have. Maybe I have. I think I did. I don't remember. Okay, so it's just very, like, minimalistic. Is that it? Packaging? Mascara smell test. It smells like mascara. Anytime mascara smells like perfume, it freaks me out. And this big ass brush fit in this little bottle. So I'm really excited to try this. I love getting mascara. All right, guys. So for the October 2021 Beauty for Everyone pop box, we received the Rare Beauty Mascara, the Herbivore Aquarius Purifying Clarity Cream, the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Youth to the People reminds me of a song. The Melt Cosmetics Lipstick in Dark Room is stunning. The Juliet Has a Gun perfume, and that's a lot right here. This will last quite a while. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and I think that might be it. Yeah, and that is it. I thought it was really good. For $12, it's really good. And then for $10 for the other products that we got in the favorites bag, I thought it was really good too. I love getting these, and I've missed getting them. So I'm super excited to bring them back to my channel. I'll try and keep an eye out and remember to get the next one. And that is it for today, guys. Did you get these? Did you pick any up? Let me know if you did. And if you've tried any of these products, let me know. Have you tried Peter Thomas Roth? Is he good? His products. Have you tried his products? Are his products good? Okay, that is it for today, guys. I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me. Again, I'm sorry it was an awkward day. I can't help it. I'm awkward. I've always been awkward. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.